Hey, so this is the final video of the Build a Bible app video series. So this is the fifth and final video where we're going to deploy the Bible app that we've built. So this is the exciting part. You can, share it with friends and family and whatnot. So all of this information is actually on the docs page. If you go to dyad.sh/docs, you go to publishing your app, and I basically listed out here step by step what you need to deploy your app. Now, in case you want to just see me actually go through the steps, I'm going to go ahead and do that here. We're going to first host the code on GitHub. If you haven't used GitHub before, it's basically like a code hosting platform. It's also kind of a social platform for coding in general, and it's free and really easy to use. So the first thing that you'll do is you want to create a GitHub account, and what we're going to do is we're going to go to Dyad, and for the app that we've created, okay, so we're going to go back to Dyad, and for the app that we were working on, we're going to hit connect to GitHub, and you're just going to follow the steps here. You're first going to copy this code. You're going to go to this link over here. I'm going to sign in, and I'm pasting the code that I just copied earlier. And then over here, it's saying, okay, it's going to give access to private repos, and you're going to pick which organization that you want to. Pick the right ones. In this case, I'm just going to do my personal GitHub account. Hit authorize. It's going to be two-factor authentication. Okay, cool. So now it's saying the device is now connected. So in this part here, you can see the UI has been updated. I can pick a repo name. In this case, I'm going to just go ahead and create a repo over here. Okay, repo's available. Let's hit create. Now, if I open this link over here, I can see on GitHub, and by default, Dyad's going to create a private repo for you. There's nothing in here because what we have to do is we have to hit sync to GitHub. So go ahead and click that, and now the code has been pushed to GitHub. Okay, so now you can see I got 20 commits, and those are basically the versions that you saw inside the Dyad app. Every time you make more changes and you want to push it to GitHub, you're going to hit the sync to GitHub button. Now, the reason why I'm going to push it to GitHub is probably because you actually want to deploy it. So the way it works is GitHub is going to connect to Vercel, and we're going to go ahead and open up Vercel. Vercel is free. It's a really easy cloud hosting platform and really nice to use. Once you go ahead and create an account, you're going to be in a dashboard. You're going to go ahead and create add new project. And from here, we can see the project that I just had over here. And the really nice part is that it's going to have all these presets. And usually these things you don't have to really worry about. We're just going to go ahead and hit deploy, and we'll see what happens. Okay, cool. So just in a minute or so, it deployed it. And now you can see I've got a URL here, Dyad Bible Read 1 Vercel app. And let's just try logging in. Okay, so let's ignore that. Let's go look at the Bible reading plans. Let's go take a look at a Bible reading plan. Let's go say I want to create one for Judges. Okay, awesome. I see it over here. Let's do continue reading and reading today's chapter. Okay, awesome. So there's still a lot of improvements we can make. For example, like there's no way to go to the home screen from the Bible reader. I could just go ahead and change the URL, go over here. Now, the thing that I'm still hitting is this, it's a little bit slow, and probably some ways that we can improve that. All right, so now in this video course series, we've learned how to build an app from start to finish using Dyad. And even though it was a Bible reader app, you have actually learned the fundamentals of first creating a UI. We've walked through the different backend portions using Supabase. First, we did the server functions, then we did auth and database, and finally, we deployed it using GitHub and Vercel. So again, if you made more changes, you can go ahead and sync to GitHub, and now push to Vercel, and you'll have a new version of the app that you can use. So hope you liked this video series. If you have any comments, let me know, and thanks for watching.